Hey guys, we are live and today I got the TDM skin. If you wanna change your skins and get new skins, I did not really create this one. It's a TDM one. So how to get a TDM skin first? You know how you have to go to skin editor. Click on skin editor Minecraft skins, and then once you find the search and once it's loaded, you'll get then you type in TDM and then you get the TDM skin. And now let's move on. But I don't think this will. Please tell me a C. Just because I'm in tablet mode, it should say. Wait. Oh my gosh, it did save. That is so weird. It has automatic saving. As you see, this is my house. This is my furnace crafting table. You all know. If you don't know how to make glass in Minecraft, you need coal. So first I made those pressure plates. You need some coal. You need some sand. If you want to make two pieces, if you want to make two glass, then you need two sand. Go inside. Get this. Put this. Well, I did not hit that. Put this. Well, not in there, but in there. Put this in there. It starts to heat up. And we need the glass right now. Because I'm not making a glass house, and yes, these are pressure. You have to notice that. So wherever you have trees, some over there, so you go over to a tree, chop some trees down, turn it into wooden planks, and then put those wooden planks into two of things in your crafting table. I'll show you in a minute if I have any room. But this is gravel. Everything will fall. So don't break it. Okay guys? Everything falls when it's gravel. And sand. I meant to do that by purpose. I have to go quick. Quickie. Yeah. And I'm playing on a Saturday, so it doesn't matter. So what I did to build this house is I had a mine with my stone pickaxe. I actually wonder sometimes why they don't make like stone armor. Now all that dirt is in my inventory. Oh, that's the first mob I've seen in a while. That is the first mob that I see. Now I could finally have a reason to eat. If I'm even hungry. No, I'm not hungry. It's raining. I need to hunt some sheep. So that way I could make a bed and put it in my house. Play. It ain't the best house, it ain't the worst house. It's an okay house. Excuse me! You cannot be. Oh, I have. So now it's this door. And don't you ever whoa, because I don't want some grown dirt in my house. Plus, this is all like cobblestone floor, so don't worry. And everything's blocked. Why not? I bought block. I built it all by myself. And seriously, I'm your and no creepers should be around. And I hope I don't see this guy. I hope I do. Stop. Oh, that's scared me. The news. But no, not that cross. I hope I do not see it. I tell you I do. I hope I do not see a cross like that around my home, guys. Okay? This isn't about crosses. And I tell you I could build it on time. I swear I will be home. Down go to the end in the house, new house, new house, new house. TDM in the new house. What the? Ah, stone people. And that's how I think I'll do that for now. If I could find any animals to kill, someone has to get wrong. I need sheep. There probably ain't any sheep, but that was the first mob I saw in my life. There ain't too many more. Probably because I'm in peaceful. But there are some mobs right here that I had to flower more. Oh, I think thunder as well. I saw some thunder. I'm out. And yes, guys, I am playing in Pocky Edition with my with my computer tablet computer because it changes mode. How is my computer not getting? Oh, that's so weird. I only got two. I need 1, 2, 3, 4 sand left. So first one, that. Four. 3, whoa! It didn't pop up in my. Oh, yeah. I was like, what the heck? And it popped. Time for smelting, mister. Now I keep doing that. Yes, for some reason I do get experience. But I'm going. I'm going in this TV that doesn't look so TV. This will don't do that anyway. Don't touch. Not wanna. Oh, that was so fast. That was so fast. What the poop? Now let me get this. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna try to get back 40. Oh, I got a little more. How the poop is my dirt house growing? I swear I saw grass. Guys, I'm gonna have to watch the video and see if I saw grass. Or if I'm just like seeing things. Cause okay, time to find some sheep. Oh, sheepy, 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 sheepy. It worked last time. Why is it not working now? Oh, sheepy, sheepy.